Hi everybody, I'm Misty. I work here at Holly Acres as the A.R.E truck cap dealer. Today we're going to show you an MX series truck cap and a 2200 CargoGlide XL. A little bit of the install, a little bit of the customer reaction once he gets to see it. So take a look.
The next step in this process is drilling the holes to mount the CargoGlide.
We're finished with our install of the CargoGlide 2200 XL. We're going to show you here easy operation. This thing pulls out 100%. Locks in. Thing's not coming out. Has multiple stopping points. You see it's got the tall sides to keep your stuff from falling out. Hold any of your work stuff. Now we're ready to get the cap on. Today we're showing you A.R.E.'s MX series truck cap. It's outfitted with the Yakima Jetstream roof rack, upgraded outdoorsman vented wind doors, the CargoGlide 2200 XL, we've got a single T in the rear with a contour strip over the tailgate. Opens up nice and smooth, all secure, clamped down to your bed. Here we go, outfitted for work.
I got access to the whole works right there.